Hello, and in this video we are going to show you how to change your marker status on your interactive map. So you will click to start, view map, and that will bring up your interactive map, and you will see here that status marker is yellow and we want to change it to a blue status marker, which is an available home. So you will go back and you will click on markers. From there, you will then choose the certain marker ID, which is lot 2 for instance, and click edit map, which is the little pencil. From there, you will keep the marker name the same, the marker type the same, and you will change the icon to available home for this instance. Then you will scroll down and you are able to change the tooltip content and say home available. Scroll down and you will need to change the status on that marker from coming soon to available. And you need to make sure that the checkbox is marked on active for it to show up on your map. Then you will go back and click view map, and you will see that it has switched on the legend to say available home, and the marker status color is now blue. If you have any questions or concerns about this, please reach out to us.